Hello, my name is Lindsay Hamill and I'm the Director of Education and Public Programs at UCR ARTS. We're thrilled to be launching our new Education Space and Museum store, a dedicated place where creativity, learning, and community can come together. This Give Day, we're inviting you to help bring this space to life. Your support powers the education and engagement programs that make UCR ARTS a welcoming place for people of all ages to connect with art through hands-on workshops, school and family programs, artist talks, and community events. Give Day gifts will directly support and expand these programs, including free favorites like Family First Sundays and First Thursdays, while helping us activate the new education space with the supplies, teaching support, and resources that keep our programs welcoming and accessible. At a time when support for the arts is more important than ever, your generosity helps UCR ARTS continue serving as a vibrant cultural hub for Riverside, the Inland Empire, and communities beyond. So join us this Give Day. Make a gift, share the campaign, and help us inspire creativity in our community. Thank you.